Hi guys, it's Melanie Lane here and I am so excited. Did you see the new announcement? The new product announcement? It's a game changer. Cricut Infusible Ink Transfer Sheets. It's amazing. Wait until you see what I make in today's video. It's so awesome.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
There's tons of different sheets to choose from. This box has 4 different sheets, 12 by 12 of infusible ink. This is something Cricut has been working on and perfecting and researching and testing over and over and over. They have tested it so much for 18 months. They have new blanks, t-shirts. Yes, get your Cricut t-shirts. They're so soft. Baby onesies. And there's so much more, and so much more coming. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video and show you something new. So excited. This is a game changer. So today I'm gonna be putting something on a t-shirt. I made this t-shirt when I was in Utah. Look. All we did was cut out the Be Bold with the Cricut machine. It doesn't fade. It doesn't wash out. It's permanent. You can stretch it. You can't feel it. It's completely infused into the shirt. It's Cricut Infusible Ink. There's no printing. None. You don't need a printer. You just need some of this. And they come in these boxes. Some have 2 and some have 4. Look at how pretty it is. So we're gonna work with this today. I will have many more videos showing you how to do the coasters and how to do the other stuff. You guys, this is really a game changer. This is so exciting. It works best if you have the Cricut Easy Press 2. It works best with the Cricut shirts. They have tested and tested and tested many other materials, many other things. It is the brightest and prettiest and best with the Cricut products. They also have pens and markers, and it's amazing. I can't wait to show you everything. But today, we're gonna put something on the back of this shirt. We're gonna cut this image out. This is a Cricut image that's in Cricut Access. I'm gonna show you everything step by step. So first thing you need is one of the Cricut shirts, or onesies, or one of the Cricut coasters. Oh, they also have tote bags. Today, I'm only gonna show you this. You also need a lint roller, an adhesive lint roller. Do a fresh piece. You also need a 12 by 12 inch piece of white cardstock, not colored cardstock. It has to be white cardstock. You also need the transfer sheet. Let's open these up. Some scissors, some butcher paper that comes with every roll of this. So you get this butcher paper. Do not throw this butcher paper away. You also get a little sample that you can practice with. So pretty. Now this looks pretty dull compared to the picture, right? Don't worry. We're using the Easy Press too, and we're following the directions, and we're gonna get this color. So much fun. Look, we're gonna use this one today. This is the red, this is the black. I know, they don't look like it. So the pattern I'm using today is called Shaylee, S-H-A-Y-L-E-E. And I'm gonna go ahead and put something on the back of this shirt. These shirts are so soft. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is cut this. So I'm gonna take the plastic off my mat. So we're gonna put it on the mat, face up. Sticks to a standard green mat wonderfully. Okay, let's go over to Design Space. This is the image I'm going to use. This is just an access image. You can go down here. This is called Dream and Create. This is from the t-shirt cartridge. So it's t-shirt collection. Lots of awesome t-shirt ideas. They have lots of images like this. I have it sized how I want it. I'm just gonna do just a small image 4.8 by 5.7. We're gonna click make it. It doesn't matter what color it is, but I do need to mirror it. So we're gonna click on mirror. This is iron-on. We do want to mirror. Don't forget to mirror. I'm gonna hit continue. Now we're going to browse all materials. I'm going to use Infusible Ink. Now yours may say Infusible Ink transfer sheets. This is one I had to create because I'm actually doing it before the release date. Okay, let's click done. We're gonna use the default setting. We're gonna use the regular fine point blade, and we're gonna load our mat. So we're gonna load this in just like we would do everything else. Now remember, the shiny side, the transfer sheet, is this side is face down, okay? We're gonna push this in as we load the mat. And then we're gonna hit the go button. Unload the mat. I'm going to set my large easy press to 385 degrees. So we're going to hit the temperature and hit the plus sign. I'm going to take my material off the mat, pulling the mat away from it. And it's hard to see, but I can feel and I can look. If I see closely, you can see that it's cut. My easy press is ready. So now I have all of this I can use another time. And we're gonna weed this away. And you might want to roll it. And look how easy it comes apart. You kind of hear cracking. So I'm pulling this away. You also never want to do this with wet hands or sweaty hands. You do not want to get any water on this whatsoever until it's on your shirt. This is so exciting. You guys, this is the first one I've done by myself. Make sure you weed out the inside of each letter. If it's harder to weed out, just crack it. Just bend it and it comes right out. I think I'm spending too much time doing this. There we go. Dream and create. Don't worry, it won't be white. It's gonna be beautiful. And now I'm gonna use my shirt. I'm just gonna put this on the back of the shirt that I already put the bee bold on. So I'm gonna turn it over. We have to use this easy press mat. I'm gonna put this here. We wanna make sure we don't have any seams in our way. We do not want to put the easy press on the seam, otherwise it will not adhere properly. Okay guys, this is a very, very important step. Anywhere the image is going to be, you must use a lint roller. Even though they're brand new shirts, they still might have little pieces of white lint on them. Okay, and now we're going to put white paper. This is just Cricut white cardstock. It doesn't have to be Cricut brand cardstock, but we're gonna put this inside the shirt, and that's gonna protect anything going through the shirt and anything going to the mat. Okay, now this is very important. Pay attention, please. This butcher paper that you get inside your packs of infusible ink sheets, you must lay down on your shirt and then preheat the shirt. You're not preheating the shirt to add more heat. You're preheating it to get out all of the extra moisture. You have to get out the moisture, and then you have to let the shirt cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on. We have our Easy Press 2 set to 385 for 15 seconds. And your butcher paper must be bigger than your plate here. So we're gonna put that down. You don't need any pressure really. Okay, fill it up. And we're gonna let this cool. I'm gonna remove the butcher paper, let this cool. Now I'm gonna set my timing on my Easy Press to 40 seconds. And we're gonna put this down so you can't see the color, you see the back of it. You will see the grid that says Cricut Infusible Ink. And then we wanna place this in the center of the shirt. Put it up here, wherever you wanna place it. If you need to find the center of your shirt, you can fold your shirt in half and press it down in the middle so you see a little line in the center. Make sure that you have weeded everything out that you want out. Okay, we're gonna put this on our shirt. We're gonna put the butcher paper back down again. This is very important. Save the butcher paper. We're using it again. And before we do this, I'm gonna let you know there's something very, very important. When you take the Easy Press and press it down, do not, repeat, do not move around the Easy Press. You're going to press it down. Do not move it side to side or in a circle. Also, make sure your Easy Press is big enough to cover your entire image. Do not do half of it and then half of it again. If you're doing a larger image, you want to make sure you're using the largest Easy Press. Okay, now we're going to lift this up and put this on. Once we put it on, do not move it. Let it sit. Start your timer. You do not have to put a lot of pressure. Okay, now when the timer goes off, you are going to slowly pick this up, put this back, and you're gonna let this cool. Do not touch it yet. It's still very hot. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. It still all looks the same. You guys, I am so nervous. This is the first one I'm doing at home. I did not do a practice one. I thought I am going to record this while I do it for you guys so you can see the first time that I do this since I went to Utah. Okay. I'm nervous. It's still a little warm. Maybe I should wait. Should I peek? Oh my gosh! It's so exciting! You guys, this is such a game changer. I'm so excited. Can you see a little bit of it? Look at that. Look at how pretty it is. So pretty. I can't wait until I get more of this. Oh my gosh. I have more than just this one box, but I think this is one of my favorite colors. It is so pretty. Dream and create. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. You guys, this is so, so exciting. Let me take the paper out. Look. Is that not exciting? Look. You can pull it. You can stretch it. You can't feel it at all. There's nothing there. There's nothing to pick. scratching it with my fingernail. There's nothing to pick off. It's so pretty. So look at that. And look at this. This is what it looks like on the roll. It's nothing, I mean, it's pretty. Looks pastel. It does not look like the box, so I want you to know that. But when you put it on the white shirt from Cricut, and using the correct settings, and using the Easy Press, it is bright and beautiful. Is that not beautiful? I love it. I am really, really excited about this. Look! Is that not beautiful? You can cut this out of any image. You can layer it also. I'll do a video on layering it. But it's so pretty. It's so bright. That is so awesome. Isn't that awesome? That's the back of the shirt. This is the front. This was the first time, so I'm kind of practicing. Wanted to practice with you guys and share it with you. So that's the front. This is the one I did in Utah. So they have that pattern also. There's no printing involved. No printing. You don't need a printer. Isn't it fun? And they have other things you can do this to. It's amazing. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I'm so excited. All right, you guys, there's links below. This is going to be released only at Michael's June 21st until October 1st. And then it will be at Cricut.com and some other stores. I do have an affiliate link for Michael's in the description. And when it's available at Cricut.com, I will add that to it also. This is a game changer. No expensive printer, infusible ink. It's amazing. So excited. All right, guys, love you. There'll be more videos. Comment below what you want to see Cricut come out with next. Comment below more videos you want to see me do. They have pens. Did I mention that? They have markers, fine point pens, and we're going to be playing with those also. Tell me what video you want to see next. Love you guys. Bye.